Hi guys, Yuri from How to Digital here, and in this video, I'll show you how you can copy comments on Instagram. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can copy Instagram comments on your Android or iOS device. Let's get started right now. So first of all, you want to open the Instagram app and find the comment that you want to copy. So I'm just going to click on this random post here and pretend that I want to copy a comment on this post. So first of all, find that comment. Now, next up, you want to click on these three dots right there and then click on copy link. Okay, so you want to copy the link from that post. Next up, leave Instagram and go to a browser. I recommend using Google Chrome. When you're here, all you need to do is paste that link right there and go to the post on your browser. So don't do this on the app, but go to browser. And then next up, click on the three dots and request the desktop site. Now this will be different on iOS. For iOS, you want to click on the kind of upload icon in the middle, and not on Instagram but on your browser, Safari probably, or just use Chrome, and then click on desktop site. This will load the desktop version of Instagram. You can then go to that post and you'll see that you can actually copy comments. So pretty much hold the comment basically, and then you can click on copy right there. Let's see, there you go. And that's how you can copy comments on Instagram. So if this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video.